Hello traders, welcome to another week of currency forecast. Last week, AUD/USD and NZD/USD moved as about right in the forecast's favor. Gold and USDCHF moved according to the forecast for a while, only to make a false move. So last week was a relatively good week. For the coming week, there are fresh setups that are emanating on EURUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY. So on the EURUSD, this market has been trending lower for about the whole of 2018 till currently. So it's a long-term downtrend, and the market structure that has been presented to us for the meantime is a falling wedge. But this falling wedge is one that has only two touches of resistance. So this is the falling wedge resistance, and same can be applied to the support. It has only two clear touches of the support level. Currently, EURUSD is in a downtrend. It ended the recent week lower. And there is about a 50 pip gap from the current market price to the next support level. So the bears seem like they are still in control of the EURUSD. The EURUSD might encounter buying pressure at the support level, or it might just break it. If it breaks this falling wedge support, we'll be in for a very weaker euro for a pretty long while. This is it for the EURUSD. And getting on to the USDCHF, I've maintained my analysis on the USDCHF from last week. This was 2018's high, which is a resistance level, and this is the support level for the ascending triangle. So last week, the USDCHF market managed a close, a very formidable one, below 2018's high. But then the bears lacked the momentum to push it further down. Instead, it found support at the 1.0044 level, which was former resistance in May 2018 and in June 2018. So it seems that the USDCHF found support at this level, but then I will not be bullish the USDCHF again until it is able to close above this resistance level, and the close must be a very clear one. Otherwise, we can also track the move of the USDCHF with that of the EURUSD, since they are highly correlated. So the USDCHF at the moment, that's for this weekend, it's right about neutral within 1.0127 and 1.0053. And our last pair for the coming week, which is the USDJPY. We have a support level here and another one here, and we have a resistance level here and another one here. The USDJPY trade will be much of a textbook price action trade. Support 1, support 2, and then we have our resistance level, 2 resistance levels. So the focus on the USDJPY is in this area. The market fell slightly when the trading week opened for last week. But for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market has made 4 bullish daily moves. It looks as if the bulls are about picking the momentum, but they are starting off weaker. From the forward time frame, this market, the USDJPY, has established higher lows 1, 2, and 3. If it goes on like this, the bulls will take over completely. But this pair will be one that is worthy of observation. If the bulls take over, they are likely to encounter one roadblock. That is the gap from the 6th of May, which was never filled. It's either if the bulls completely take over, they fill the gap and price would reverse on the fill of the gap, or the price of the USDJPY might just close above the gap for the bulls to run as long as they can. So that's it for the analysis. Let's go into the details of the economic movers for the coming week. On Sunday, which is May 19th, there will be the GDP announcement from Japan, which would affect the Japanese yen. On Monday, it's a holiday in Canada, and on that same Monday, the Fed chair would speak. On Tuesday, there is the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting and inflation reports from England. Also, existing home sales will be coming from America. And on Wednesday, the European Central Bank President speaks. There's CPI from England. There's retail sales from Canada. Crude oil inventories, the normal Wednesday news. And there's another federal meeting minutes on Wednesday as well. On Thursday, German GDP. Thursday will be a very active day for the euro. the German manufacturing PMI, German IFO Business Climate Index, and retail sales from England. Also, the ECB goes in action on that very Thursday, and there's the new home sales from America again. And on Friday, we end the week with retail sales from England and the core durable goods orders from America. So this week is kind of packed with economic or fundamental news movers. That's it for the coming week. I really wish you a profitable trading week.